What's not to love about cap presses? Compact, convenient size, and the heating element warms up super quick. And if you happen to have the Hotronix IQ360, you can decorate all sorts of different caps with all sorts of different placements. Stefan here with All American Print Supply. In today's video, we're gonna go over some of the useful functions of a cap press that you can use in your print shop. Go ahead and comment down below any practical uses you've done with your cap press, kind of outside the box thinking. So we've got this heating element that measures in at about 6 by 5 inches that performs all the functions of a normal flat t-shirt press, but warms up in a fraction of the time. So the first thing that comes to my mind as far as how to utilize this is going to be pocket logo placement. So you figure most pocket logo designs will not exceed 4 inches in width. Now we recently did a whole video on how to get perfect placement every time, every size, and you can check it out by clicking on the video up here. Let's go ahead and get this into position, nice and easy. There we go. Now we're gonna load this into our cap press like so. Make sure everything's nice in order. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and give it a quick press. Now you gotta imagine the time saved if you had an entire order of pocket logos, how quick it's gonna heat up, how quick it's gonna apply, and a smaller machine might even be using less electrical, so we're saving time and money. Now these are going to be cold pill DTF transfers, so in a production setting, after my first one comes out, I'll go ahead and simply set this aside. My next transfer is already staged up and ready, throw it in the cap press and continue production. And after a couple pieces, this first one will have cooled down back to normal room temperature and we can form a safe and easy cold peel. Now this year, I've been seeing loads of content as far as unique placements for your prints in 2023, and these will include sleeves. And it's a great area that's often overlooked that you can still decorate and customize your garments. Things like logos, company websites, jersey numbers. How about a QR code? Let's go ahead and get it ready. Now, we're just gonna thread the sleeve onto the platen itself, nice and easy. I'm gonna get my QR code, place this on my transfer area, and to keep things in place, I'm gonna use a couple pieces of heat tape to get the transfer nice and straight. There. And one more here. One last check. Position looks good. Let's press it. You know, these unique print locations can really add another layer of personality to your designs for you and your customer. And again, one more item we can invoice. And with a fraction of the ink for such a low print, this can be a very profitable point for your customers. That easy. Whether you're big time or small time, nothing screams pro-grade product like a custom neck label. Size information, care instructions, maybe a special message or your website, it's a great way to elevate the quality of your product for you and your customers. So let's go ahead and get this on here. And you know, with the functionality of direct-to-film, this can also be a very cost-effective way to add an extra layer of value perceived to your audience. And we don't have to turn the garment inside out. Thanks to the functionality of the 360 IQ, I can simply place my garment right here. Got my custom hang tag here. Let's go ahead and get this in position. And again, we're gonna secure this down with just a couple pieces of heat tape. Give this a quick press. Bingo. Now that these transfers are returned back to normal room temperature, let's go ahead and perform our cold peel. It's gonna lift in an area that's got a little more ink concentration and go low against the garment itself. Beautiful. Let's keep rolling. All right, now we got our QR code here. I'm gonna peel off with my heat tape, low against the garment itself. Oh my gosh. All right, now let's take a look at that custom neck label here. Same thing, nice and easy peel. All right, now we've gone over some easy ones today, but can this little cap press do a full-size graphic? Depends on the size of the garment. Boom, baby onesie. Now, since all the DTF supplies and equipment are certified by Ecotech for safe use with customers of all ages, I have no problem doing baby sizes with our DTF materials sold at All American Print Supply. Just gonna get this onto our press like so. Take this adorable little transfer we got here and get this into position like so. Let me bring this down a little. There we go, we should be in good shape. Tack this down with some heat tape. All right, let's give it a press. That was a quick cool down. Let's do our cold peel. So cute. So let's recap here for a moment. We got this cap press that can do loads of other applications, so long as we're operating within the dimensions of our 6x5 heating elements. Remember, we did pocket logos, neck labels, sleeve prints, even baby onesies. What's the greatest thing you've done with your cap press aside from headwear? Drop that in the comment section down below. For more information on any of the products, equipments, or supplies in today's video, hit the description links down below. Or you can always visit us at aaprintssupplyco.com.